Hello guys, this is Anil Kumar G from CSC department. I am here to basically deliver a lecture on basic concepts of advanced network programming. Okay, right. Before going to advanced network programming, we need to recall the basic concepts of computer networks and the data communications, right? Before, then what is the meaning of data communication? Data communication is a process of exchanging the information between the two systems via some form of transmission media. Second, the effectiveness of data communication system depends on the four fundamental characteristics: delivery, accuracy, timeliness, and jitter. This is the model for data communication. Data communication model consists of five components. First one is sender, second one is receiver, third one is message, fourth one is transmission media, one is protocol. Sender can send the information and sender is the device it can send the information. Second component is receiver. Receiver is a device it can receive the information from the sender. Third component is message. Message is nothing but information, whether it is audio, video, whatever it is. Fourth one is transmission media. Transmission media is a nothing but physical media that connects the sender and receiver in which data transmission procedures take place. Fifth component is protocol. Protocol is nothing but a set of rules that govern the format of the data. Basically, in data communication, there are three types of transmission modes. First one is simplex, second one is half duplex, third one is full duplex. In simplex, one system can send the data, other system can receive the data. Second one is half duplex. In half duplex, both system can send and receive the data, but not same time. Coming to full duplex. In full duplex, both systems, either sender and receiver, can send and receive it simultaneously. Coming to computer networks. What is the meaning of computer networks? Basically, a computer network is nothing but a collection of systems that interconnected with each other. In computer networks, in OSI model, there are seven layers. First one is physical layer that deals with physical medium. Second one is data link layer that deals with frames. Third one is network layer. Network layer is responsible for IP packaging. Fourth one is transportation layer. Is responsible for connection establishments and connector. Next one is session layer. It is responsible for data synchronization. Next one is presentation layer. Last layer is application layer. Application responsible for the user protocols. User protocols. That means HTTP, FTP, etc. The whole advanced network programming depends on the two protocols. That means TCP and UDP. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. TCP is a connection-oriented protocols that computers use to communicate over the network. Second one is User Datagram Protocol. UDP is a connectionless protocol that works just like TCP but assumes the error checking and recovery services are not required. Next major concepts in ANP is inter-process communication. I hope all of you are aware of the inter-process communication, right? Inter-process communication nothing but it is a mechanism operate. It is a mechanism that operating system allows various process to communicate with each other. In IPC, there are several IPC communication mechanisms. First one is pipe. Pipe is a one communicated between the two processes. That in this mechanism based on the half duplex mode. That means either one can send the information, other can receive. Second one is FIFO, communication between two unrelated processes. FIFO is a full duplex mode. That means both systems, in the sense both processes can send and receive the information simultaneously. Third one is shared memory. Communication between the two or more processes is achieved through a shared piece of memory among all the processes. Next one is message queues. Communication between two or more processes with full duplex capacity. That means the process will communicate with each other by posting a message and retrieving from the queue. Once they retrieve, the message is no longer available in the queue. Next one is semaphore. Semaphore are meant for synchronizing access to multiple processes. When one process want to access the memory, it need to be locked and released when the access is removed. Last mechanism is signals. Signal is a mechanism to communication between the multiple processes by way of signaling. In ANP, the first task is implementation of IPC in forms of pipes. Second one is FIFO. I already told you FIFO pipes. Pipe is running on a basically depends on the off duplex mode. That means either one process can send the information, other can be received. Here, file can be created using a system called pipe. Here, pipes describes two file descriptors. Zero for opening, that means reading. One for opening for writing. This is the basic diagram of pipes using implementation of pipes. Coming to code. This is the pseudo code and code for pipes, implementation of pipes. Here see the figure. A pipe provides one-way flow of data. A pipe is created by the pipe system call. Here a pipe describes two file descriptors. Descriptor 0 for opening for reading, file descriptor 1 which is opening for writing. Here parent process, here this is the two process. Parent process, child process connected through pipe. Parent first a process create a pipe, then forks to create a copy of itself as shown above in the figure. Next, parent process closes the read end of the pipe and child process closes the write end of the pipe. The fork system call creates a copy of the process that was executing. The process that executes the fork is called parent process and new process called child process. This is the pseudo code for the creation of pipe. First step in the process of creation, store any message in one character array, declare another character array, create pipe by using system called pipe, create another process by executing fork system call. In parent process, use system called write to write messages from one process to another process. In child process, display the message and this is the code for creation of pipe.